welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I will be unboxing and reviewing for you guys a bag from HANDBAGCRAVE. HANDBAGCRAVE was so kind to send one of their beautiful bags. I absolutely love them. I already received some bags in the past and they are the best quality, so I'm very excited for this new edition. If you're excited for a new video, please don't forget to give the huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like to purchase a bag from HANDBAGCRAVE, you can use my discount code. Any discount code will be here on the screen. And yeah, let's get started with the video. This video is not sponsored, but the bag was kindly gifted by HANDBAGCRAVE, and I will always tell you guys my honest opinion, obviously. So let's get started with the unboxing. So when you receive a package, you always get this little thank you card from HANDBAGCRAVE, and if you purchase a bag, don't forget to tag them on your Instagram so they can feature you. And then you receive it like this with a very pretty bow on it. So let's unbox it. So HANDBAGCRAVE reached out to me if I would like to receive another bag, and I obviously said yes. I really love the quality of their bags. They're made of real leather, and yeah, they are just the best. And this time I went for an Ava bag, which is inspired by the Kelly bag. They are not replicas, they are just amazing dupes without the brand on it. So yeah, let's unbox it. So you receive a dust bag, and I always love a dust bag so you can store your bags in there. So let's have a look. So as you can see, it's very well protected. And oh, look at this beauty. I love it so much. Oh my gosh, it's stunning. And you can definitely smell that it's made of real leather. So this is the Ava 25 in black. And just look at this, and look at this little leather sample. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I love a smaller bag for everyday crossbody bag, and I just went for the classic black one because obviously it goes with everything. And I already have a pink Ava bag and also another bag from them in milkshake white, which I will show you guys later so you can see a bit of the comparison. And this bag is made from Epsom leather, so as you can see it has that grained look, which I find very easy to use for every day because it doesn't get scratched that easily, and if it gets dirty you can wipe it up very easily. So that's why I love Epsom leather, and it's a bit more sturdy. So yeah, I just love this. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's remove all of the plastic so we can have a look on the inside. Yeah, so as you can see, it's super well protected with all the plastic. So I never had any issues with bag that came damaged. HANDBAGCRAVE is a company that is located in the UK, and they're a family-owned business. So let's have a look on the inside. So I think yes, there will be a strap as well. So let's have a look. Okay, so yeah, we have the strap in here. A matching strap, so you can wear it crossbody. So you have this very cute little look. Then you have here a little charm with the key in it, so you can put that on the bag as well. Look at that. So it comes with a little lock, very cute. And then here you have the strap, which is adjustable, which I always really love because, you know, we all have different heights. So if a strap is adjustable, I think that's great. And then in here, oh my gosh, this is stunning. Look at that, this twilly. Oh my gosh, I love these colors. This has to be my favorite that I received with all of the bags. Like, this goes so well also with black, and maybe even with what I'm wearing right now. Oh my god, that's perfect. Oh, this is my favorite from now on. And you also receive a little horse, and isn't this just the cutest thing? Like, look at that. Another charm for on your bag. I love this. Oh my gosh, this has to be my favorite ever. That's just so cute. Okay, so I will first remove all of the things on here so we can style the bag. And I will also show you guys some shots of me wearing the bag so you can see how it looks on your body. Yeah, let's first remove the plastic right here so I can dress up the bag. Okay, so I removed the plastic here on the little strap and now I'm going to remove it on the hardware, and oh, that's so satisfying. Look how shiny that hardware is. Absolutely stunning. So I already told you guys that I received some bags in the past, and I will link also those videos somewhere down here so you can check them out. But the hardware stays beautiful. Like, I don't have any issues with like it turning green or that it's scratched easily. Like, obviously you can see that I use the bags, but really they hold up so well. So as you can see, super shiny hardware, love that. I will also show you guys the inside real quick. A little zip right here so you can put there your phone or some smaller things, your keys. And it's quite spacious for a bag that is like 25 centimeters. And then here on the side you have another little pocket here. It's very spacious, definitely. So let's dress up the bag. Let's put the twilly on and the other charm so you can see how that will look. I love these colors and it's such a coincidence that they go with the outfit that I'm wearing. So cute, look at that. Love the pink with the green. Such a beautiful color combination. So I will just wrap it around quickly so it's not perfect. Keep that in mind. So that's just one way that you can use the twilly. Let's add the little horse to it as well. It's just so cute. I love this. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I love that. Oh, that has to be my favorite twilly and horse that I've received. Like, that's just very cute. And of course you can also add the key and the other charm on here as well. And I want to add the strap so I can see the length of it. So you just attach it here to the side, as you can see here. And I personally love a crossbody bag because I'm a mom. I like to have my hands free but still have like a chic bag. So yeah, this is just the perfect bag. And obviously you can also wear this as an evening bag. You can definitely dress this up. I mean, look at that. That's just a perfect size, I think. And yeah, I think the 25 centimeters is like the perfect size for crossbody. I also have a bigger Ava bag, which is like 28, which you can also wear crossbody obviously, but I prefer like a smaller bag as a crossbody. So I have the bag on now, as you can see, with the strap, and it's right on my hip. So it's a very nice length and you can even lower it even more if you like. And I am, for reference, 178 centimeters. So yeah, this is how the bag looks on me. So this is the front of the bag, as you can see. Super beautiful, shiny hardware. Love the details. Absolutely gorgeous. And these are the sides. And the back. So I thought I'd show you guys two of my handbag crave bags side by side. So this is the Aran in Epsom leather and this is the Ava in Epsom leather. As you can see, the Aran got two handles and the Ava got one handle. This is inspired by the Kelly and this is inspired by the Birkin. So yeah, without any of the branding obviously. Just great dupes. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and review. And if you like to purchase something from their website, you can use my discount code, which will be here on the screen. Thank you so much to Handbag Crave for this gorgeous bag. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I hope to see you guys very soon in one of my other videos. Bye!